Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another 4-part harmony tutorial video. In today's video, we are checking out the minor interrupted cadence. We're going to go over a few rules so that we can write these cadences in 4-part harmony. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's just get straight into it. The first thing we should know is the figuring of this cadence. In a minor key, the interrupted cadence is chord 5 to a major chord 6. The rules for doubling: in chord 5 we double the root, and in chord 6 this time we double the third. In terms of voice leading, our bass rises by step. The raised 7th in chord 5 must resolve by half step to the tonic in chord 6. The two other voice parts that don't contain the leading note or are not the bass must move contrary to our bass and the voice part with the leading note in it. Let's now jump into Sibelius and see if we can write these cadences for ourselves. Okay, now that we've checked out the rules to write minor interrupted cadences, let's look at these two examples and see if we can write them for ourselves. In our first bar here, we are in the key of A minor, and in the second bar, G minor. For both examples, I've given a soprano line, so let's harmonize them now. For our first chord in A minor, we already know that it is the dominant chord 5. And for our second chord, chord 6, this time a major chord. Let's now make sure to get down our triads. In A minor, chord 5 would be E, G, and B. In chord 6, the triad now is F, A, C. Let's quickly have a look at our melody line in this case. In our soprano, in chord 5, we've got a G sharp. That is our third. And in the soprano note for chord 6, our note now is A, also the third. So we already know that our leading note in this case is resolving. First thing we need to do is get down our bass note. That would be E. For our tenor, I'm going to go with our B. And in the alto, I'm going to double our root with an E. And of course, our soprano is the G sharp, the leading note. Now, based on the rules that we've just discussed, our bass note rises by step in root position from 5 to 6. That is a F, the root of our triad. Because our leading note in the previous chord is resolving, the other two voice parts must move contrary to that movement. In our tenor now, our previous note was B. We must double our third in chord 6, so that B moves naturally down by step to an A. In our alto, we are only left now to complete this chord with the 5th, the C. The E moves down by third to middle C. Okay, on to the key of G minor. For chord 5, our triad now is D, F sharp, and A. For chord 6, our triad E flat, G, and B flat. Let's have a look at our soprano notes now. In chord 5, we've got a D. That is the root, so one of the doubles has happened already. And in chord 6, we've got our B flat, and that is the 5th of our chord. Let's get down our bass notes first. In chord 5, that would be D. For the tenor, I'm going to go to the A, and in my alto, I'm going to go to the 3rd, and that is the F sharp. Onto chord 6, our bass note rises by step to an E, the root of the chord. Next, we need to double our 3rd and make sure our 5th is there, which it is in the soprano. So all that's left is to get 2 G's down. The A in our previous chord, the tenor, moves down by step to a G. And the F sharp resolves up to our tonic, the G, doubling that 3rd in chord 6. Let's now have a quick listen to this and see how it sounds. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and maybe that subscribe button. If you didn't enjoy it, a dislike, no problem at all. I've been Murray, and as always, I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.